secret. We're on the Soldier Pass Trail in Sedona. It's trailhead's in a residential neighborhood. There's only 14 parking spaces behind a secured gate. And at 8 a.m. the gate automatically rolls open. Get in. I think it closes at 5 or 6. But this trail takes you through the woods to a giant sinkhole, and then to a series of 7 pools, 7 sacred pools, my favorite kind of pool, and then up to some mesa. So that's where we're headed now, the other side of the canyon as we walk. And Sedona is just beautiful everywhere you look. Soldier Pass Trail, Burns Mesa. Which way you think?
Here, that's right.
My gut says keep to the right. And is that an agave? Agave?
As tall as that tree there. Looks like a giant asparagus.
Well, we went a little more than 2 miles up onto the mesa, and we can either follow that trail all the way back down to the, I think it looks like it goes on to the paved road, or we can just walk back here and retrace. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna take a stop up ahead in the shade. We found a trail turn off, take us up to the caves.
Hope it's worth it.
This is steep. We're getting really close. There's a cave up ahead, straight through the tree there. We're pretty close. Kind of wishing right now I had a tapping stick to let the rattlesnakes know we're coming, but they can probably hear my breathing, so we'll hope for the best. That cave. Oh yeah, he's going right to the caves, Ginny.
Harvey?
He's taking us right to the cave. There's somebody up here. Yeah. Ugh. Wow. Holy crap. Pretty cool though. Look at that. We had a big conversation at work one day about what you take on a 2-hour hike, and today we're on about a 2-hour hike, so this is my usual little day pack.
A 2-hour hike is turning into a 3 hours.
Yeah, this will be about a 3-hour hike for us today because we did some side stuff, but we have 2 liters of water. I didn't bring our camel packs because this was going to be a shorter hike and we have plenty of water left. But the other stuff I take with me always, besides a hat, what I have with me, my pack,
Don't sit.
obviously I have my wallet, car keys, and all that stuff, but I always have, for those evening hikes, the headlamp, boom,
Or hikes that might turn into evening
and a
hikes.
flashlight. a flashlight that also does that. Boom. Because that gets people's attention like you would not believe. And then I have with me little Altoids tin. It has some duct tape on the outside for making quick repairs. Has a fire kit inside with with lint and a lighter, a book of matches, and I also have a razor blade in there. And then some more, just a little electrical tape if I need to hook something back together. And that weighs no more than a couple of ounces. My EpiPen, because I'm Irish, I'm allergic to everything. So I also have that with me. This is my little first aid kit. And so I have a couple of space blankets, which are good for staying warm and for signaling helicopters if you're a guy named Chris and you get yourself lost in the Trinity Alps. Oh, of course, he says he wasn't lost. He knew exactly where he was. He just couldn't get home before dark. Some steri strips, some Benadryl, and what else is in here? Benadryl, Allertec. Oh, I could have given you an Allertec.
Yeah, I needed one of those earlier.
Yeah, some moleskin if you decide to get a bunch of blisters while you're hiking. Some Deep Woods off if it gets really nasty with bugs. And then just a few really good-sized Band-Aids and some hydrocortisone cream. And I just put that in a straw. I cut a straw and melt the end, put some in there, and then seal it up. So, and that...
It's not very much stuff. It all fits in a couple of little Ziplocs.
Well, yeah, this is one little Ziploc, and it doesn't weigh... I mean, the heaviest thing in here is the little aluminum space blankets. And so there's water, space blankets, fire. Oh yeah, I have a knife. I have a good sharp knife. It has paracord on it, and it also has a flint or a magnesium rod, so you can start a fire with that also. And just for the entertainment value of it, when I'm hiking somewhere or even at a campground, if I need to light a fire, I'll use my magnesium just to stay in practice, because it does take a little bit of effort, but not much. And then I always have just an extra chunk of paracord with me. You never know when that's going to come in handy. Weighs nothing. So this pack, the heaviest thing in the pack obviously is the water.
Yeah,
and that's also the thing that goes first. So.
Yeah, your load gets lighter.
And yes, I do carry this on a 2-mile or 2-hour hike, because
you never know.
You never know. And I figure it's better for my heart to have a little extra weight. God knows I've got plenty of that.
Well, and you never know if you're going to twist an ankle or something's going to go awry.
Exactly. Because, as the great Gordon Graham says, if it's predictable, it's preventable. So we're back at the parking lot, about 5.5 miles this morning. And it's 11:30.
Wow. This is a lot longer.
Yeah. Didn't it?
Yeah. If I say bacon, you'll come.
Call of the wild. Oh yeah.
If I say I have bacon. Did you put beer in his book?